In this weekly analysis, we'll be looking at the GBPUSD, the dollar index, the euro, the USDJPY, and gold. So we'll be starting with the dollar index. The dollar index, from the daily chart, you can see that the price is still currently in what uptrend. You can see that we have a lower low, higher low. So long we have this higher low, so we expect price now to do a retest back to this support level for us to look for a possible entry for the uptrend continuation for the dollar index. So we'll be expecting the dollar index to continue to push higher this coming week. So let's look at the weekly chart of the dollar index. On my weekly chart, you can see that price has closed above this strong trend line. And this trend line connected these three swing levels. It's a strong trend line. So long price close above it, we are expecting price to do a retest. So we expect price to do a retest. Then before we look out for possible buying opportunity to the next resistance level on the daily chart, which is on the weekly chart, which is this resistance level. So we expect price to come to this resistance level this coming week, but we expect a retest of price before we see the price pushing higher for the dollar index. So let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we'll be waiting for price to retest this our previous resistance. Then we'll look out for our buying opportunity for the dollar index. So the next pair we're looking at now, we're looking at the GBPUSD USD. GBPUSD USD, from my daily chart, price is currently in downtrend structure. You can see that we have a series of higher low, which shows that price is currently in downtrend structure. So what to expect this week now? So long the GBPUSD break below this resistance level, so we're setting the GBPUSD USD to do a retest back to this resistance level. So we mark the resistance level. So we expect the GBPUSD USD to do a retest back to this resistance level before we look at our selling opportunity, because the structure of the market still remain on the downside. So let's look at the weekly chart of the GBPUSD USD. GBPUSD USD on my weekly chart has converted this support into resistance. So long price converted this support into resistance, we'll be expecting price to do a retest of that particular support level that turned to resistance, that previous support, then for look at our selling opportunity. So we'll be expecting the price to do a retest of this level, then we'll say price sell to this next support level on the daily chart. So let's go back to the daily chart. So on our daily chart now, we are expecting price to do a retest before we look at our selling opportunity, because the current structure of the market still remain on a downtrend. So let's move to our next pair, which is the EURUSD. EURUSD on my daily chart still remain on a downtrend, because we have a series of higher low. So long we have a series of higher low, we expect the EURUSD to continue to drop. But first, we expect price to move back to this resistance level before we look at for selling opportunity for the EURUSD. So we expect EURUSD to do a retest of this resistance level on the daily chart. Then we'll be looking at for a possible selling opportunity for the EURUSD. So we expect price to do a retest, then we'll look at for selling opportunity for the EURUSD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the EURUSD. EURUSD on my weekly chart also converted this support into resistance. So long price converted this support into resistance, we expect price to do a retest of this region or this region before we look out for our selling opportunity. So we expect in EURUSD to continue to drop this coming week, but we expect price to do a retest of this resistance level, this previous support level that turned to resistance. So we expect price to retest them before we see price pushing lower. Then you can see from my weekly chart also, you can see that this trend line connected three swing levels. You can see that price has closed below it. So we expect the EURUSD to continue to push lower. So we expect price to come to this resistance level for this support level for the EURUSD. So we expect price to push lower to this resistance, to this support level. So let's go back to our daily chart. So we're looking for a selling opportunity from this level for the Euro USD with our target to this weekly support. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Australia USD. Australia USD on my daily chart still remain on a downtrend. So long we have this downtrend structure on Australia USD, we expect price to continue to push lower. So price is expected to push lower this coming week. So we expect price to do a retest of this region. Then we'll see price push lower to this next weekly support level. So let's look at how the weekly chart close on Australia USD. On Australia USD, you can see that price close on a resistance level. You can see that price converted this previous support into resistance. So we expect price to do a retest of that red eye, which is this level. Price must do a retest before look out for selling opportunity for the Australia USD. So we expect price to come low to this level. So a break of this level, we expect price to push continue further. So if price break this level, we expect price to push lower to this next support level. So our first target, we're looking for our first target to be this support level, and our second target to be this support level. So we expect the Australia USD to continue to push lower for this coming week, but we expect a retest. After the retest, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity for us to sell the Australia USD to the downside. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USDJPY. USDJPY still remain in uptrend structure. You can see that we have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, we expect USDJPY to continue to push higher. So we expect price to do a retest of this support level. Then we'll see price pushing higher to this next weekly resistance level. So let's look at the weekly chart of the USDJPY. USDJPY on my weekly chart still remain. You can see price converted this previous resistance into a support level. So we expect price to do a retest of this support because we have a level of supply at this level. So we expect price to do a retest of that level. Then we'll look at our buying opportunity. So USDJPY for this week still remain in a bullish trend. So look out for buying opportunity for the USDJPY. So we expect price to continue to push higher for the USDJPY. So the next pair we're looking at now, looking at the gold. Gold on my daily chart has changed its trend to downtrend. So on my daily chart now, we're expecting price to do a retest. So long gold did a false breakout. You can see that we have a false breakout from this daily support level. So long we have this false breakout, we'll be expecting gold to do a retest of this region. Then we'll be looking for price action setup for us to sell gold to the downside. So let's look at the weekly close of the gold USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that price has converted this support into resistance. So long price converted this support into resistance, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity for gold USD. So expect price to do a retest of this resistance level. This resistance level, which is your previous support. Once price retest it and give us a price setup on the daily chart, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity, with our first target will be at this level and our second target will be this level. So we'll see expect price to continue to drop for gold USD this coming week. So our third target for gold USD will be this support level. So we expect price to continue to push lower for gold USD this coming week. So let's go to the daily chart. Once we have our price action set up on this daily support, which is also a weekly level, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity from that particular level. You can see that this particular level is a very strong level because you can see that this particular level is also a weekly support. It was also a weekly resistance, then also a daily resistance. So we expect price to do a retest of that level. Then we're looking for a selling opportunity for gold, with our first target at this level and a second target at this level. So we expect gold to continue to drop this coming week. So if you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.